Let me introduce our digital tearing tester. Our digital tearing tester have the functions fast clamp, quick release specimen clamps, which can clamp the specimen firmly and easily. Another function for our digital tearing tester is that they have an automatic weight detector. The function of our digital tearing tester is that there's a sensor that can detect the size of the test weight. So in the test page, the machine can detect the type of the test weight automatically. So you don't need to set test weight by yourself. Another function for our tearing tester is that we have the electromagnetic braking system, which can hold the pendulum of the tester. It can break the pendulum automatically. In the touch screen, you can set up the specimen number, firing number, and the direction of the specimen, warp or weld. And you can set the unit. They have total 7 different kinds of units you can select. And the range setting, 15 to 85 and 20 to 18. After you doing the setup, you can save the setup. So in the testing page, if the weight is not suitable for this test, you can choose to use the lightweight or to use the heavy weight. And in the result page, you can save all the testing data in this page, and you can delete any one or delete all. If you connect the computer to the main machine, you can transfer all the data to the computer to save it as the Microsoft Excel format. You can easily print the report